Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 101. On Wednesday last, in the Memorial Hall workshop, Mr. Walter Wilde of Wakefield delivered an extremely fascinating lecture on the empire. He referred to the enormous size of the dominions, to the millions of people of various races living in them, and to the bewildering variety of animal life to be found in the area included in the empire. He deplored the frequent wars which had weakened British South Africa in the past and expressed his belief that the future would tell a very different story. Mr. Wilde spoke in warm appreciation of the ever growing love between the Dominions and the mother country and declared that genuine affection was the best possible bond of union between us. Subsequently, speakers included Messrs. Hardwick, Shadwell, and Wagstaff, and the audience recorded a warm expression of thanks to Mr. Wilde for his lecture. Full stop.